Okay, we'll work our way. This is really small. It should only take us a couple of minutes to get through. They have some. They got some trucks here. Really nice restoration jobs. Check out the Peterbilts. Yep, U.S. Army truck. Gotta go back for a second to this old Chevy. Pulling Havana Club rum. Pretty nice. Because there's too much to say. Here's an old Studebaker. And one of our favorites, Chevy 3100. 1949? No, 1956. Got a Mercedes, Buick Straight 8. Woolsey.
That looks like Plumber's car.
Armstrong Sidley. Let's see what we got here. It's a Flower de Lis. Must be some type of French car. Here's an old Ford. Very, very nice.
Well, the inside of these things are immaculate. Well, look at the inside of them.
Fully restored.
Unbelievable.
This is a Dodge. Very nice.
Wow, this one even has wood wheels.
Mm-hmm. It's an old Buick. Check out the wood wheels.
Looks like it has 40,000 miles on it.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It is. This one is absolutely spotless. Right?
Yep. Then we got a Ford Model A right here. Stutz. Super 8. An old Opel. Convertible. $1933. Here's another one with wood wheels. Pierce Arrow, I believe it is.
Look how
Yeah.
it's wriggle on it.
Yeah. Cool emblem for the Pierce Arrow. And you got another Opel. Another Ford.
I like these little bikes. This one has 7,500 miles on
And
it.
it's got the rumble seat in the back. See that?
This only has 7,500 miles. Get these cars over here. Where'd they come from?
I don't know.
Right?
This is a Cadillac. I believe it's a V12. Believe it or not.
I never even see these cars in the
Rumble
United
seat.
States.
No, This is just beautiful. Yeah. Luggage trunk.
Wow, it is a V12. 32,999.
And you got an old Buick. And another Ford. This one I believe is a 29.
Love the color. I don't think this etching is original, do you?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes. Then we'll move over to here. And here's some older, more common cars. We'll go through a little bit on the quicker side, unless we see something really cool, like this old Ford GXL.
Wait, look how little this car is. How tiny it is.
Does indeed have a manual.
That is funny. What is this one?
I don't know. And you got some old Corollas, an old MG, Peugeot 403. An Abarth. Old London Taxi. Mercedes, nice VW restoration. Your Carmen Ghia. There's an old Celica.
What's this VW?
And you got a Mini. Yeah, we already looked at it. An Austin. And a couple of old Mercedes. Here's an old Alfa Romeo, I believe it's a GTV. I'm not quite sure. That's an old Toyota 1000. Mini, Austin Healey Sprite, 1965, very nice, very nice. Triumph Spitfire.
My grade school teacher used to have one of those.
Triumph Spitfire.
Yeah, same color, everything.
Mark III. Very nice.
She used to ride us around in it.
Alfa Romeo 2000. And we'll come back over here. Got a couple of Fiats. And a Morris Minor. Love these Chevy pickups. And another one in fire engine red. And check out this Dodge. I wonder if it's a power wagon. It's beautiful. Really, really nice.
Look at the how the hood of this thing is.
Mm-hmm.
That's a huge truck.
It's beautiful.
Where did they get these things?
And there you have it. You have now seen the whole car show. And we'll head to our next spot in this nice little town.